Hi, today we are going to implement traversing of list of element using consumer interface. So first of all, we require the list of element, and the second is we have need to create another class which is implement to consumer interface, and that consumer interface classes we can traverse using for each method. Now we are already add 10 elements into the list, and second one is we need to create a class by traversing class, and create is the and implement consumer, which is import from the util function consumer, and here need to implement override methods, and accept method is necessary to override. Now here I add one SOP to print out element. Here I pass integer, and this also integer, and this is a element value. Value is element. Now our consumer interface is implement in a my traversing class. Now next step is here I create my traversing, and my traversing, and my traversing object. Create instance of my traversing, and using for each method my list or for each, and pass here my traversing instance. Now we can run this program and checking out reflection is done. Now we can see here all elements is print out here. So using consumer interface, we can traversing all the list elements. So what we do here, first add the my list elements 0 to 9, and creates the one my traversing class and implements consumer interface. So which is import from function and consumer, and it has one override method except it is it add here generic integer. So here pass here integer, and we can add. So the benefit of the consumer, we can add here business logic, we can separate. So it is a good advantage over the iterator. So when we are use iterator for traversing the collection, then we can might be possible to get concurrent modifications issue. But here we can add any business logic, which is another place. So it is good for business logic.